All right, here's a question. The balloon with a pressure of 20.78 psi, 20.78 psi, and at a temperature 19 degrees, so 19 plus 273.15. So that's 20, 93, 92. So 292.1 decimal place, 0.2. That's Kelvin. Whoops, that should be a temperature. 292.2 Kelvin. Okay, and it's put in a freezer. Yeah, I guess that should be in. Freezer with minus 10, so that would be 263.15 Kelvin. What will the pressure of the balloon be after 3 hours? The time probably doesn't make any difference. It looks like I guess on this one we'll have to assume they don't say anything about the volume. So the volume will probably shrink, but they don't say anything, so we'll assume that the volume doesn't change. And we'll assume that no gas escapes or no gas is added. And so I've got P1 and T1. I think that's Gay-Lussac's law. So we don't have to include volume or moles. And I'm looking for P2. So P2 will be equal to P1 T2 divided by T1. So P2 is P1 20.78 psi times T2 263.15 Kelvin divided by T1 292.2 Kelvin. Multiply, divide. And we need looks like 3 sig figs. Make sure you have 3 sig figs at the end. Here's another one. A balloon contains 2.50 moles of gas. 2.50 moles. And has a volume of 4.5 liters. And it's at 22.00. Oh, I like the 00. Oh, I probably put that in. I think this is my question. 273.15. So 295.15. The balloon is put in a fridge where the temperature is 5 degrees. Oh, so just a minute here. I put the pressure in the wrong spot with the temperature. So 295.15. And I didn't say anything about the pressure. There's no pressure in there, so the pressure's a wash. I don't have to worry about pressure. So if I blow 1.50 more moles of gas, so then altogether I'll have 4.00 moles of gas in there. And the temperature goes down to 5. So 273, that'd be 278.15 Kelvin. And they say, what is the new volume of the gas? Okay, so there's no P. V1 over N1 T1 equals V2 over N2 T2. So I assume that the pressure remains constant. And I'm looking for V2. So V2 will be equal to V1 N2 T2 over N1 T1. So plug in your numbers. Looks like 3 sig figs is what you need. All right, hopefully that helps you with those 2 questions.